I don't even know if I'm gonna sit down and edit and post this video, but I'm filming it just in case. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Zaya, and in today's video, I'm gonna just be sitting down, unboxing my newest additions to my Doc Martens collection, and just kind of chatting. You know, we go from conspiracy theories to shoe unboxings on this channel. That's what I call continuity. So in total, I am going to be unboxing 4 pairs of Docs today. 3 of them are from the Doc Martens website, and 1 of them is from Nordstrom Rack. Honestly, let's just get into it, because this is a shoe unboxing. Why am I not unboxing shoes already? The first pair that I'm actually going to go into are the ones that I found from Nordstrom Rack. I do have a bit of a confession. I've worn these once already, but I still had the box because they came in the mail, I think 2 days ago. And so I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna lump these in my other video. Here they are. Hold on. Anyways, so here is the shoe. The other ones of the box. This is the PASCAL, however you say it, in military canvas in Capulet green. I think I got all that information right. I've honestly never seen these shoes ever on the Doc Martens website or anywhere else, but one day I was scrolling on my Facebook and an ad popped up for Nordstrom Rack, and these were only like $65, but they were having like a sale, so they were like 30% off on top of that. So I got them for around $50. And I would say if you are looking into kind of getting your first pair of Doc Martens and you don't know if you like them, checking places like Nordstrom Rack, and especially for if you want to get more of like a staple style, like either like black or white, 1460s, those go on sale very regularly at those kinds of stores. But also sometimes they will have some other limited edition collections, as well as just random Docs like these, which I had never seen before. But I really like them, and I'm not the biggest fan of the laces. They almost are like yarn, and I think that they kind of just match the shoe a little too well, so I am probably going to end up changing them out with just either black or the brown and yellow ones. I think the Nordstrom Rack only had these in size 9 and size 13, so I'll leave these linked down below if I can still find them. If you happen to be a size 9 or size 13, like, you're in luck. You get these shoes for pretty cheap. So now these next shoes that I'm going to move into are the WINSTED black, also in canvas. These shoes I got from the Doc Martens website. Is this a thing? Is this how people do it? Ooh, these are cool. I kind of took a risk on these. The kind of more Doc Marten shoe types I don't really go into. I more go for like the boots and the chunky heel and everything, but I really like these. These almost kind of remind me of a pair of Converse high tops. They're just, I think, probably a little bit taller, and they have this really cool yellow stripe on the side, which I really like, and I think kind of also makes them stand out. And then they also still have the classic pull strap on the back. I feel like this is a good alternative for people who want just a classic pair of black 1460s, but either they're too heavy. These were $75, so they're definitely still not cheap. They're only slightly more expensive than, say, like a pair of Converse or something like that. I'm sure you could probably find them on sale depending on the type of the year for pretty cheap. So I really actually like these, and I think that they'll be a nice alternative to maybe days where I know I'm gonna be on my feet a lot. I would rather wear these than the regular black 1460s, because again, they do get a little heavy after prolonged use. These next ones I am excited for. I was definitely not thinking of getting these, and I tend to veer away from brown boots because I feel like they look a little Western, and I just don't really have anything to go with that. But there was this account on Instagram, it was on my Explore page, and they posted like a picture of these shoes. So anyways, here it is. I'm not even gonna lace it up, I don't care. Anyways, so like I was saying, I kind of avoid brown boots in general. I just don't really have anything to go with them. But an account on Instagram on my Explore page did post a picture of these shoes. I actually really liked them. I feel like the black trim at the top and the pull tab, as well as the bottom and then the laces, kind of add in elements of black that will make this go with a lot of things. And I definitely think the shade of these isn't too like Western, but it definitely doesn't scream like alternative. I definitely think these are nice pieces of the collection. I don't really know how often I'll wear these, but I will try my hardest to include these in any outfit that it can be, because again, I really like these. And these last ones, which I am so excited for, are the Doc Martens TATE collaboration with Richard Dad. I have a pair from a previous collection with the TATE Museum, and that is showcasing the work of William Turner. So here is the one by William Turner. This is the previous one, and I really like this shoe. I think that this one that I'm about to open is the same kind of crystal suede, which gets the crackle effect that you can see here. From what I've experienced with these, I definitely think that these are more kind of novelty shoes and less like an everyday wearing type of shoe, because the design tends to crack off fairly easily where your foot will naturally crease the leather. Not a super huge problem for me. I still think these look okay considering that I do wear these pretty often. And yeah, so let's get into the new one. I'm super excited for these these ones? Yes.
Yes.
Ooh. So this little guy on the side is probably one of the reasons that I bought this shoe. I thought it was funny. I think that the shoe in general is like really cool from afar. You have like the line. You can definitely tell there's a lot happening. You can see like the little daisies and stuff up here. But as you get closer and look more at them, you can see a bunch of different kind of little faces and people. And I think that that's really fascinating. I don't really know this art piece or like the story behind it or anything like that. Although they do put a little certificate at the bottom of the box. At least they did with my last one. So if it's in there, I'll read it. This is again with the crystal brushed suede. So I expect to see some flaking along here and the sides within the first couple of wears. It does tend to slow down a little bit once those kind of creases are made. Oh no. Aw, they didn't put the cards in the bottom. Anyways, so that is all for my additions to my Doc Martens collection. This is a kind of other, I guess, random video that I'm doing. That's a very common theme on this channel. But if you did like it for whatever reason, make sure to go down there and hit that like button. And if you want to, consider subscribing. I post here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So there's no shortage of content on this channel. There's no promises that it's good content, but it's content. So anyways, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go now. All right, bye.